Welcome back, guys. We just did a video on the Harbor Freight tire changer. Now we're going to do one on the bubble balancer. Alright, so when you buy this, it'll come in three pieces. It'll come with the stand, the base, and then the actual balancing unit. The balancing unit has that little hole right there in the middle of it. That will sit right on the tip of that. That way, that will be naturally balanced to whatever, like if this is sitting crooked or something. Granted, I would have that on the flattest surface I could just to be safe when you put the tire on it didn't try to fall over or something. Now this bubble balancer, this ring is where your tire's rim's gonna sit. Now when it sits on there, it'll squish down. Can't squish it right now because they come out the bottom. This bubble, you can adjust the center of it. Clean that off. You can see right now it's in the middle of it. Maybe you guys need cleaned off. Try that again. Yeah, maybe. Anyway, the bubble's in the center of it. When you buy it, it might not be. These three little screws right here, you just adjust them until your bubble's in the middle of it. You want it to be as close as possible when it's like this. That way when you put it on and get your tire on there, you know that balanced is as balanced as it's gonna be. Now by far, the worst part about setting this thing up is getting that little divot lined up with that little tiny pin. Every once in a great while I can hit it. Nope. This was a bad day. It took me over 3 minutes to get this on the pin. And the bubble's in the center. Alrighty, now to balance the tire, you gotta have your center cap out, which if you just changed it, it'll probably be already out. And you want to set it right down in the middle there. Those spring-loaded outside will sink down in, and then this tapered inner core will go into your rim and hold it. Now right now it says it's pretty close to balance without any weight on it. Wow. I like to give them a little bit of a wobble and a spin. We'll see where she comes out at. Wow, that's spot on. I don't believe it. Wow, alright. This tire doesn't need any weights. You don't run into that very often. But if it did, say your bubble is leaning like that way or something, you just take, they have different weights, you just put it on there, and then you just gotta keep going until the bubbles were you just want it in a black circle. You're never gonna get it perfectly in the middle of it. But then you just give it a little spin, a little wiggle. Every time it stops, you see where the bubble is at, you readjust it. Yep, still inside the black circle. That'll be a smooth ride. Take it off. Remember your center cap. And then you got your tire ready to go. I've never had a misbalance with this setup. Seems to be a pretty good unit. Biggest thing is getting the bubble in the center before you start. That way you know exactly what your tire needs. Well, I hope that helped you out. My good buddy, the bubble balancer here, saving me some money. Hope you can get one and save yourself some money. You have a good day.